Traditional marketing relies on print, TV, and radio, focusing on broad reach and brand awareness. Digital marketing, however, leverages online platforms, offering targeted, data-driven strategies. This evolution allows for real-time engagement and measurable results, transforming how businesses connect with consumers. Marketing has evolved into two distinct worlds: traditional and digital. Traditional marketing relies on offline methods like print and broadcast media, while digital marketing leverages online platforms and data analytics. Understanding these differences is crucial for crafting effective strategies that align with audience preferences and technological advancements. Traditional marketing relies on offline methods like TV, radio, print ads, and billboards to reach broad audiences. It features a one-way communication model, lacking immediate feedback. Core channels include direct mail and telemarketing, focusing on tangible media to engage consumers. Digital marketing harnesses online platforms to engage consumers with precision. It allows brands to target specific demographics and interests, fostering real-time, two-way communication. This approach offers measurable results through analytics, tracking every interaction. Additionally, it provides a global reach, enabling brands to connect with audiences beyond geographic limitations. The shift from traditional to digital marketing has revolutionized brand audience connections. Traditional methods like print and TV are now complemented by digital strategies, offering precise targeting and real-time engagement. This transformation allows brands to measure success with unparalleled accuracy, reshaping marketing dynamics and enhancing global reach. Core methods in marketing encompass both traditional and digital strategies. Traditional methods like print, broadcast, and outdoor advertising offer tangible, trusted content. Digital strategies leverage online platforms for targeted, data-driven campaigns. Understanding these core methods is crucial for effectively reaching and engaging diverse audiences. Traditional marketing channels leverage established media formats to build consumer trust. Print media offers tangible content through newspapers and magazines. Broadcast media, via television and radio, reaches mass audiences with compelling storytelling. Outdoor advertising ensures brand visibility in high-traffic areas, while direct marketing uses mailers and phone outreach for personalized communication. Digital marketing channels provide unparalleled flexibility and targeting. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram foster community and brand loyalty. Pay-per-click ads on Google offer precise budget control. Content marketing and search engine optimization attract organic traffic, while email and affiliate marketing build direct relationships and expand reach, enhancing conversion opportunities. Traditional marketing excels in building broad brand awareness and trust, especially among older demographics. Physical materials create lasting impressions, while local campaigns dominate geographically. Billboards and TV commercials ensure unavoidable exposure, delivering messages effectively. A strategic billboard campaign by Artisan generated $2 million in annual recurring revenue, highlighting traditional marketing's proven ROI and continued relevance. Traditional marketing excels in building brand awareness and trust, especially among older demographics. It dominates local markets through newspapers and radio, ensuring unavoidable exposure via billboards and TV. A case in point, Artisan's billboard campaign generated $2 million annually, proving traditional marketing's enduring relevance. Digital marketing offers unparalleled advantages. It allows businesses to start with minimal budgets and scale based on performance, enabling small businesses to compete with larger brands. Precision targeting reaches ideal customers with accuracy, while real-time optimization maximizes return on investment. Interactive engagement fosters two-way conversations, building communities and personalized experiences that enhance customer loyalty. Traditional marketing faces high-cost barriers and limited measurement, making return on investment tracking difficult. Slow iteration and broad targeting reduce effectiveness. Digital marketing, while precise, grapples with privacy regulations, ad fatigue, and platform dependency. It demands continuous content creation and technical expertise, challenging businesses to adapt swiftly to maintain performance. Understanding when to use traditional versus digital marketing is crucial. Traditional methods like TV and print are ideal for broad brand awareness, while digital channels excel in engagement and precise targeting. An integrated approach combining both maximizes reach and conversion, as demonstrated by successful companies like Gong. Successful marketing blends traditional and digital strategies. Traditional channels like TV and billboards build brand awareness, while digital platforms drive engagement and community interaction. Targeted digital campaigns enhance conversion and retention. Gong's success illustrates this, using digital for lead generation and traditional media for credibility, achieving category leadership. Understanding your audience is crucial. Identify where they spend time and make decisions. Use digital marketing for precise targeting and relationship building. Traditional channels are key for broad awareness and credibility. Integrate both for cohesive campaigns, using traditional media to enhance digital engagement and vice versa, ensuring maximum impact.